Josef Otten was founded in 1941 by Dr. Josef Otten and is today one of the most experienced and traditional enterprises in Vorarlberg. This westerly federal state, which forms a powerful center of the European textile industry, provides the optimal location for the international businesses of highly specialized niche players. The company Josef Otten develops highly fashionable and exclusive patterns on high-quality fabrics and produces these with the latest inkjet technology. The business supplies women's outerwear, and here the company Josef Otten supplies the middle and upmarket segments in particular. The two enterprises TDI and the associated trading company Josef Otten are always doing their best to fulfill the growing demands in service from our clients, as well as maintaining the already high standards of quality. From the creation of the latest patterns through the processing of the fabric up to the final product, strength of purpose and the focus on service are the benchmarks set by Josef Otten itself. From the start, only the highest standards of quality count for TDI and Josef Otten. A team of designers is occupied every day with the task of bringing the latest trends and colors into the patterns.
The inspiration
for a new product range, in this case for summer 2013, is made up of diverse components. On the one hand, the inspiration from the designer shows in Paris and Milan, which we can always observe via internet. We can look at the latest patterning and the new coloring. The other side is very important. The information in working together with our clients, what our clients see, what our clients also find right for their market segment. It's not just inspiration alone. You have to acquire the inspiration with the information. Primarily, we buy the patterning from Italian and British design studios. Great goods are delivered almost on a daily basis, which are later matched to client requirements through the finishing with different patterns. The next procedure takes place in the laboratory. Here, the material is checked regarding its weight, absorbency and fabric width. The client specifications are carefully adhered to. Before, during and after production, the laboratory plays an important role to ensure that the client receives only the best goods. Once the fabric has passed the test, it finds its way to the rotary machine. After the colors have been carefully mixed into the dye kitchen, they are applied to the fabric via cylinders with templates. One template is used for each color. A maximum of 8 to 10 colors can be applied to the fabric. After the printing is completed, the templates are cleaned and brought to the warehouse. 10,000 of these templates are already stored in the halls of the textile printing plant. However, a new print technology has captured the market. The inkjet process may soon make templates and dye kitchens redundant. Josef Otten and TDI also uses this new technique, which has a number of advantages. The advantage of the inkjet procedure compared with the rotary printing process is that we have no restrictions with regard to colors. We don't need sieves to add the dyes to the fabric. Rather, the dyes are applied by means of print heads onto the fabric. Also, we are not limited with regard to motifs. We can print infinitely large motifs. In addition, the manufacture of the templates as well as the manufacture of the printing pastes is not required. After the fabric has been printed and washed, it is reopened with skein opener in order to be rolled up thereafter. In doing so, the fabric is fixed in a standering frame and thereafter stored as a so-called spool, which holds about 1000 meters. Then, an important step is the finished fabric inspection. Each meter is checked before it leaves production. The fabric itself is divided into 50-meter sections. Subsequently, the fabric rolls are wrapped and ready for dispatch. Just under 4 million meters of fabric are produced by TDI and Josef Otten and leave the production facilities in Imst each year. In order that everything runs smoothly, the trained sales employees coordinate the entire back-office activities. Josef Otten ensures that its own goals are met.
Die langfristige Strategie
The long-term strategy of the two companies is also clearly defined. As one of the few existing European integrated textile printers, we wish to continue our role in the market as a niche player in the future.
als Nischenplayer erfolgreich weiterführen.